Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today is our day 5 here in Tokyo, Japan. So today's the day we're leaving Tokyo and we're headed to Kawaguchiko to see Mount Fuji. We're now here at Shinjuku Station and we are headed to the Shinjuku Expressway bus terminal. Shinjuku Expressway bus terminal is super easy to find. You just need to follow the signs inside the station.
Please be sure to take the receipt. Thank you for using.
We already booked our bus tickets in advance through the official website. It's super easy and honestly, we recommend it, especially if you're traveling during weekends or holidays. I'll just share the link in the description box below. The price of the ticket usually ranges from 2,000 to 2,500 Japanese yen per person per way. We're taking the Highway Express bus from Shinjuku to Kawaguchiko Station. So the ride takes about 2 hours, so make sure na meron kayong dalang snacks. By the way guys, you can also ride a train. However, mas budget friendly kasi kapag nag-bus and it's way more relaxing than transferring trains. Finally, we're now here at Kawaguchiko Station. Now, let's head to the hotel. By the way, yung hotel na nabook namin dito, meron silang free shuttle transfer. We have arrived at our hotel, so it's the Toyoko Inn Fuji Kawaguchiko. Super friendly yung mga staff nila dito, and also the rate that we got was around 3,300 pesos per night, and that already includes breakfast. Also guys, just to share, they are quite strict with the check-in time, so kailangan talagang antayin yung check-in time na 4 p.m.
Building B.
We can now go to our room, and the room that was assigned to us is nasa second floor siya. Also guys, merong mga rooms dito na may view ng Mount Fuji. So if you have extra budget, then yes, go for it.
We're staying at the Toyoko Inn.
Let's now check our room. We've just got in and it's time to give you a quick room tour of the Toyoko Inn Fuji Kawaguchiko Ohashi. Ang haba ng pangalan, no? First impression, it's clean and simple but perfect for a short stay. We've got everything that we need. Comfy bed, and then meron din ditong mga hangers. Also, may dresser with a big mirror. Ayan. And also meron din sila ditong hair dryer. So yan, kung gusto mo magbasa, may mga books din dyan. And let's look at our view. So we actually got the view of the village. So you see Mount Fuji, nakikita naman siya dito kaso partial view lang.
Actually, pag nahiga mo sa bed, kita mo siya. And this is the CR, or the toilet with a bathtub, of course. Where's this one? Ayan. So, kompleto din, no? Lahat, no? May Japanese toilet, amenities, ayan, bathtub. Kompleto din, may conditioner, shampoo, face and body wash, towels are provided. Okay. Mini ref. Meron din silang yukata. Baka plated lang. At least may free coffee, oh. Diba? Yes, we're going to Busta.
So guys, gutom na kami. Hanap muna tayo ng malapit na konbini. Meron daw dito malapit na Lawson.
Hala, asan na yung Lawson? Wala akong natatanaw na Lawson.
So guys, nawawala na kami and hinahanap pa rin namin yung Lawson. Asa na ba yun?
Ano yun?
By the way guys, the hotel that we booked is just near Lake Kawaguchiko and pwede nyo talaga siyang lakarin.
Ang laki! Kaya yun Ayun o, Lawson ba yun? Oh, yun yung hotel natin, no? Oh. Layo pa nalilakad natin? Lalalala! Long, ganda niya dito, may. Ano yun?
So, hanap lang tayo dito guys ng snacks and also pang dinner na rin. Nag-enjoy talaga kami parati pag nagpupunta ng konbini kasi ang daming food choices.
Ito.
So, we're finally back here sa hotel. Ang layo ng nilakad namin, guys. So, yung Lawson pala, ang lapit lang niya dito. So, paglabas ng hotel,
Ano yun?
left side ka lang and then 1 block away lang. Let's just chill for tonight. And tomorrow is a hiking day. So, that's it for our day 5. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed our videos. And see you in our next vlog.